recording will come in. Okay, let's carry on with this. What I'm saying is I created here the beta. The beta I make 0 also. The data I make 0 and it's a static and everybody has the same copy. The static means everybody has the same copy. अगर एक बंदे ने इंक्रीमेंट किया तो दूसरा बंदा उसको इंक्रीमेंट करेगा, तीसरा करेगा, तो वो एक ही बंदे को इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है. तो अपना अपना बेटा सबको नहीं है, कॉमन बेटा है सबको. अब मैं बेटा को भी इंक्रीमेंट कर रहा हूं यहाँ, ठीक है, एंड आई एम प्रिंटिंग इट. So maybe I call it beta here now, not I say beta equals 2 plus beta, whatever. Now if I give it a go, as you could see here, now what's happened to the beta? Beta is going 63, beta is 68, 70, 96, 100. How is it possible? How can the beta be 100? Are you getting my point? Because what has happened is the other threads are coming simultaneously to it, beta, and incrementing, and it is achieving the large values. But to the data, we are not allowing simultaneous threads to increment it. But for this data part, it is locked. Only one thread at a time can do all these 3 lines of code together. But for these guys, rest of the guys, it's not locked. The threads can come simultaneously and execute. So this is the most critical section problem with the threading. So if at all we have what critical section, if we have a critical section, you cannot execute that part of a code simultaneously by each and every thread, because that will mess up the data. If that is a situation, use synchronize keyword, okay, and if you put up the synchronize to the whole method, it will block the whole method. So if it's 100 lines of code, so then each thread will have to do all those 100 lines of code, and then the second thread will be given that method. But that's not a good way, because critical section is a small piece of code which you want to lock. Rest of the code should not be locked. So that means then we use a synchronizer block. So in synchronizer block, we are locking only that piece of code which is critical section. Rest of the code is not critical section, that is not locked, as case in here. But if your whole method is a critical section, you put up synchronizer to the method here. But if you have to lock only a particular block of data, so then use some keyword, use some mutex, some variable which is static here, okay, and rest of the code will not be locked. Does it make sense what I'm saying?
सर ये क्या फायदा है, डेटा हमेशा वहाँ ही रहेगा, इसको कोई और ये एक्सेस नहीं कर पाएगा.
हाँ, ये मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना कि जैसे आपका बैंक अकाउंट है, ये मैंने यहाँ पे ऐसे डेटा प्लस प्लस या माइनस किया, लेकिन
सर ऐसे नहीं ना इसमें कि एक थ्रेड ने काम किया उसके बाद दूसरे थ्रेड को ये मिलना चाहिए सीक्वेंशियली, इसमें लेकिन हमेशा वन रोजा
मुझे वन रोजा क्या इसका माइनस इसना काम ही करना माइनस बनाओ, अगर भी माइनस बनाओ कि ये रोज बने 1 पद बन 2, ठीक है? Do you understand?
Yes sir.
एक मिनट. Assalamualaikum. I'm in class. I will call you back. हाँ? समझ आ रही है बात? अगर आप यहाँ डेटा प्लस प्लस करोगे, ये माइनस नहीं करोगे, तो पहले के लिए 1 होगा, दूसरे के लिए 2 होगा, तीसरे के लिए 3 होगा, एंड सो ऑन. बट टू शो इट कि भाई साहब की यहाँ पे दिखाने के लिए कि ये लॉक हो रहा है, ये वापस को 0 ला रहा है पहला थ्रेड, कि दूसरा थ्रेड बीच में घुस के इसको मैसअप नहीं कर रहा है. सो वी हैव सक्सेसफुली लॉक्ड इट. एज यू कुड सी, डेटा इज ओनली 1 ऑल द टाइम. दैट मींस जब भी थ्रेड इसके ऊपर आ गया है, उसने प्लस प्लस किया है, फिर माइनस भी किया है, और जब दूसरा थ्रेड आता है वो उसके बाद ही आता है, यानी कि ये वापस इसने 0 बना दिया है. ठीक है? Okay, that's all for today. On Saturday we will take exam. Friday should be off. That is your gazetted holiday. Saturday we will take a little exam first, and Monday we will continue with the applets and all. Maybe we have some few more things to do in it. I will make a video of that, and we will go on Monday with a different topic. One screenshot and you go. FN and print screen. Okay, you guys can make a move. And when you are in a class, there are many people who are talking with each other, they're laughing at each other. That's not a good way. you should maintain the sanctity of a class. Okay. Okay, that's all.